for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. There's 3 kinds of pottery. Meron pong earthenware, which is low-fire. That's the one they make in vegan, yung paso-paso, lutuan mga ganito. Ang stoneware and porcelain ay high-fired. We specialize in stoneware. Niluluto ng 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay. We test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk. Soak it in water. We sieve it until it goes through 40 mesh, which is a very fine filter. Pag lumabas doon, it's very watery. We have to drip dry. For 3 to 4 months, we age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangan i-test at i-proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi po lahat ng clay ay Now, what we do here, I think mong bahadisan mo. I'll show you the making of the pot. After the demo, if somebody wants to try, it's paid individually at 100.
Yeah. Right.
First, I have to center the clay. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hands should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is the very basic shape from here. You can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it out to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards at the very, very top to make a flower bus. Pwede rin po siyang maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan.
Oh.
That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po. Ilagay namin sa oven for 12 hours of firing. Wait for 2 days of cooling down. We bring it out, then apply the glazes. After glaze application, we have to cook it again for 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing para kumintab at lumabas ang kulay niya. Hindi pintura na ipahid natin. Makikita na kaagad ang kulay. Kailangan pong iluto. That's why they're safe for food containers. They're microwavable and the color doesn't fade. May mag-try po sa inyo. Anyone?
Yay! Me!